Hi and welcome to the next section. In this section we'll configure the GRE tunnel between remote site and the right pfSense. First thing first, we need to check the routing. And from what I see here, we don't have the gateway, so I should add one. 192.168.0.253. This is the remote router IP address. I will disable the gateway monitoring. And also I should add a static route to 12.13.14.0/24 network with the gateway remote. Now if I go to ping, I should be able to ping 12.13.14.2. And from the looks of it, I'm still not able to ping it. We have the gateway added, we have the static route added, the firewall rules on the WAN interface will allow only TCP and UDP traffic, so I must change them to any, just to check the connectivity. And let's do another ping, 12.13.14.2. Okay, so the ping is working. That's a good sign, and that means that we can go ahead and create our GRE tunnel. So go to interface, assignments, GRE. We'll add the remote address, which is this one, and we'll create an IP address for our tunnel. It would be 172.172.0.1, and the remote IP address is 172.172.0.2, and we'll use /24. I'll go ahead and save. I go to the remote side, to assignments, GRE, add 192.168.0. The right one have .0.201 IP address on the WAN interface, and the GRE tunnel interface IP address is 0.2, and here it's 172.172.0.1. So I replaced from side to side I use the local IP address which is configured on right pfSense. I used it on the remote IP address on the remote pfSense. So I should save. I should go to system, to routing, and create a new gateway. But before that, I need to go to assignments, find the GRE interface. I need to enable it, and it will be called GRE. Hit save. Go to the right one, to assignments, to GRE. Click add. Enable the interface, and we'll name it also GRE here. I will apply the changes, and now I should go into the routing, and I will go to static routes, and I will create a new static route. Let's say to VLAN 1. So 192.168. What was the IP of the VLAN 1? It's 255.10. So 255.0/24. and I will use the GRE tunnel gateway. And on the right one, I'll go also to routing, to static routes. I will add a new static route to a remote subnet connected on the LAN interface, .10.0/24. And the gateway will be the GRE interface. Also, I should check the firewall rules here, and I should add a new rule which will accept GRE. I can make it granular, but I just allow any. But maybe let's make it more granular. So the GRE from 12.13.14.2 and to the destination address to the WAN address. Click save and apply. Now let's travel back to the firewall, to rules, to the GRE, and just enable anything on the GRE tunnel. Click apply, go to the next one, rules, GRE, allow everything, save and apply. Now I should be able to go to PC4 and I should be able to ping 192.168.255.10, and the ping is working perfectly fine. And if I go to the right pfSense, check status interfaces, and I go straight to the GRE interface, I can see that the traffic is being sent and traffic is received. There are no errors or collisions observed. So the GRE tunnel works, and it works very well. Also, the main difference between GRE tunnel and the WireGuard and IPsec tunnels is that the GRE tunnel is not encrypted. It is just a plain IP, which is which have a GRE header, and under that GRE header we have our interface with no encryption whatsoever. So let's check the destination IP of 192.168, or maybe the source IP would be 12.13.14.2. So IP source equal 12.13.14.2. And what we have here, we have the gateway monitoring, but this is not the point. We can see that the outer header of the GRE is with source IP of the WAN address from the remote pfSense, and the destination is the right pfSense. And if we'll check the IP packet inside the GRE header, it would have the source destination of 172.172.0.2 and 172.172.0.1. Let me disable the gateway monitoring. It is annoying when you try to do some captures. So disable it. And let's do another ping test and just observe what is happening. So again, the outer IP header is 192.168. It's 12.13.14.2, and the destination 192.168.0.201, and the inner IP packet is 192.168.10.2. So the ping is working, the headers appear to be configured correctly, which means that the GRE tunnel is working. Thank you for attending, and I will see you in the next one.